You think you know the sun? You see it every day. You feel its warmth, and your textbooks told you the basics. But nearly everything you were taught is either incomplete, outdated, or flat out wrong. Scientists themselves have had to admit their predictions failed. Here are 10 myths versus shocking truths about the star keeping you alive. Myth 1. The sun is yellow. Every crayon box, every child's drawing, every emoji confirms it. We call it the yellow sun. Our textbooks print it yellow. Even scientists historically described it that way. It seems like the most obvious, undeniable fact about the most observed object in human history. Truth 1. The sun is actually white. In space, with no atmosphere to scatter light, the sun emits all wavelengths of visible light equally, making it pure white. Earth's atmosphere filters blue light, tricking our eyes into seeing yellow or orange. NASA confirms this. The sun is white, and it always has been. Myth 2. The sun is a giant ball of fire. Fire. Burning. That is the universal explanation given to children and adults alike. It looks like fire. It feels like fire. And, for centuries, humanity assumed the sun was simply the largest fire imaginable. A cosmic campfire, keeping the solar system warm. Truth 2. The sun is not on fire at all. Fire requires oxygen and combustion. The sun has neither. Instead, it runs on nuclear fusion, hydrogen atoms colliding and merging into helium at the core, releasing energy that makes fire look like a birthday candle. The sun is a thermonuclear reactor, not a flame. Myth 3. Scientists can accurately predict solar activity. For decades, space agencies projected solar cycle peaks with confident precision. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration issued formal predictions for solar cycle 25. Governments, satellite operators, and power grid managers planned around these forecasts as though they were reliable science. Truth 3. Scientists got it wrong and admitted it. NOAA predicted solar cycle 25 would peak in 2025 as a moderate cycle. It didn't. It peaked far earlier and far stronger than predicted, forcing a public correction. In 2023, scientists formally acknowledged their forecasts were wrong. Our most advanced models still cannot reliably predict our own sun. Truth 4. The corona is millions of degrees hotter than the surface, and nobody fully understood why for 70 years. The surface sits at around 5,000 degrees Celsius. The corona reaches 1 to 3 million degrees. In 2025, NASA's Parker Solar Probe finally observed magnetic reconnection directly, solving this 70-year mystery of impossible heat. Myth 5. Sunlight reaches Earth in about 8 minutes. This is the fact every science teacher delivers with pride. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away. The math works out to roughly 8 minutes. Clean, simple, and taught worldwide as settled fact. Truth 5. That light took 100,000 years to escape the sun's core. The 8-minute journey through space is the easy part. A photon born in the sun's core spends between 10,000 and 100,000 years bouncing through dense plasma before reaching the surface. The light warming your face today was created before modern humans existed. The sun is not what you were told. It is white, not yellow. It is nuclear, not burning. It is unpredictable, even to our best scientists. Its corona defies physics. And the light touching your skin right now is older than your entire species. If the star we see every single day still holds secrets this profound, imagine what else we have wrong. Subscribe, because the universe is stranger than anyone is telling you.